DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shut up selector boy.
What's good, YouTube? Boy, Jambisco back with another banger. You see, we back with Uncle D, man. Yeah, man, the originator of horror. How they say horror dancehall? You feel me? Or horrorcore dancehall? The originator. You see me? The one. Yeah, the one and only Uncle D man himself. You don't know where I deal to them, man. The Spartan boss. You see me? I say they are the Spartan boss himself. None other than Tamil Sparta. Yeah, man. And the one entitled Touch the Road. You see me? So I check it out and see what dog I deal with today. You don't know the Spartan boss. You don't know say. Yeah, you don't know say Sparta. The Spartan them get active. You don't know what time it is. You don't know Tamil man. I don't know. I solidified himself as one of the OGs in the game, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm up there. You don't know. When a cartel student them in a game, you don't know. When a cartel prefect them, you know what I'm saying? And Dark real come in. Really, Tamil, yo, it's amazing me. Tamil really came in the game, you feel me, and created his own lane and really make a stamp on the culture. You see me, making his mark in the culture and putting in the work for the culture, man. You see me? So it's just good to see Tamili's evolution over time. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, gang. A lot of people say his music was going to die out, or his genre was going to die out and stuff, but he's still around. You feel me? And then now you have other youths coming up after him, such as, you don't know, you have the Blood Clot Intense, the Sking, the Raja Wild. You don't know the craft. Them, you have people with the elements and you know and the elements and styles of Tamil in a game. You see me? I say, yeah, man, he really pushed that section of dancehall forward. You see me? I say so. But yeah, man, Tamil there today, man. I want to enter touch through. We're gonna react to it and see what dog I deal with. I don't know if I garbage gonna say I garbage, but I don't know. Tamil is very talented, so it should be a banger. You feel me? Be a vibes when Tamil. When Tamil ready to do it, be a vibes when Tamil touch upon a tune. You see me? I say be a vibes and energy. The first couple of songs when he just came out of jail was more like, you know, he was taking it easy, but yeah, man, you don't know Tamil, bro. Tamil made bangers. Video quality is always up there. Man, I ain't gotta tell y'all should already know. But we're gonna jump right and try this. Is Tamil Touch the Road. Let's get it again. Easy no mama. I want to do them. I go and pan one ya. What do them? Come in, gang. This one look so they're gonna come on.
We call me just a breed, jump out, fresh cut, lift up a suit, a simple beat. Telephone when the girl made the news a reach. The boss, they a road, buzzer than how you do it. Your life I live, cause you think we smell the beef. Not a question, you me learn the lesson of for real. If a bag of money top shot.
Oh, yeah, mean, I'm to that go on a party vibes, so I don't want a dog out a road. You see me, road I get crushed in that song.
If I saw we do it, part time for the rich in the scheme. Touch back on the road, new style for fuck up the stage show. Fit a one, brief for dashing like crowd. Girl, them crazy for true. After the party, I me that in our throat.
After a party, I me that in our throat. You know what I mean, man? You don't know. That's a good way for you in the night. You know what I'm telling you, man? Go party touch you get a yell and you don't know. Say in the night you don't do it. Grown folks do.
True, after the party, I me that in our throat. Glock 23 fooling all this and again over like a young son. The guns and the dolly, them crumbs and the demon definitely catch you.
Is no mama thick still, but you can't tell me about mama. Hey, alright, go on still. I make you go on. You see me? You can't, but I make you go on.
Nigga, I know that you front. You dropping your pin when I pull up, baby run. All of the same, your mama saw the spaghetti. Bust it to jelly, your brain splash on my fin. This thing that I fade is already not high. Yeah, the most I do, yeah.
And you are tongue pan the one and a rap dog. Bust out the jelly, your blood splash on my fin. Let's eat Spartan boss for them, man. Come in, guys.
It is already not high. Yeah, the most I do, yeah, they resign. Who's in that car? Say no more high. I know Tommy attack. I the demon of ice. Shell, pussies on my dick. From when you don't know me. Hey, don't say
I want and Tamil apart, dog. Easy the gang. Easy the water. Clear. Yeah, man. So land it. Anything like intense and Tamale and Cartel, them know, but hey, but like you see though, you see me, they don't say a caliber go on, everybody a link up, you see me?
Don't say, you know how I play, go bang, baby, I'm a black big whoa, rose, $1 million whips, Ferrari, Hellcat, Drift, V6,
You know, man.
body, real quick.
Niggas in Jamaica be killing those bikes, bro. Them niggas, stunt bikers in Jamaica, they be going crazy.
What do
Come on.
them? What do 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 them? Touch my body
Road. Oh, yeah, man, that Crush Road, man. You see me? Tamale Grant for free up. You see me? You can't touch road on Crush Road.
New style for fuck up the stage show. Fit that one brief for dashing night crowd. Girl them crazy.
Easy now. I'm not sharing this way. I'm not sharing that video. Ah, go on. Everybody link up. The Senegal boss. That's not sharing in what, yellow or green? Yeah.
One brief for dashing
You don't
night
see my
crowd.
agenda. See the Senegal boss. Easy now, man. Everybody linking, bro. It's a good look for that.
Girl them crazy for true. After the party, I mean that in our crowd.
Easy now, man. I wind up yourself. Who like that?
Glock 23 fooling all the ceiling get home like a ozone. The guns and the dolly them crumbs and the demon definitely catch up in night code. In the road.
Easy now, slim as the guns and the dolly them crew. My arm too no better know.
Some of you run. Sparta you run up and roll. Well boy if you roll, jump out and a beer gonna lick your night on. Run up on a beer and a tip in 9 pound. Killer beat dog with the Philippine. Pick up the beast, tell her drop her feet. Pocket a me duffel baggy full of many G.
Easy now, man. The dog, flow dog. I sit up with flow ball like what 3-4 times now. Damn, man. Slide on your polo. Easy now. So I go
Like mafia, deceptors and a team. Charge every matic, them a feel the energy. We got many enemies, niggas hating them a pre. Show you little bitch, I roll me like a referee. Nigga, why you hitting me? You know you get a free. What do them? What?
Tree look a bitch, I blow me like a referee. Easy now, man. Gang? Eh? Gang, what to say about that? Eh?
What do them? 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 What do them?
That mafia warm to them. How they hear about? Tell them say no pussy NPT, no pussy test. Tell them no man.
Touch my body road. New style for fuck up the stage show.
Easy now, Bob walk on them.
Girl them crazy for true. After the party, I mean that in our throat. Glock 23 fooling all the ceiling get home like a
Yo, Zone. Now I'm to them, talk to them, man. This link head up like ozone, brother. You see me like the ozone here.
The guns and the dolly them crumbs and the demon definitely
Mama, easy now, girl. Girl, them out. Yeah, man, we like those.
in night code.
Yeah, I mean, Sparta. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, that was the Spartan boss. Yeah, see me, I said Tamale himself, man. The one named Touch Road. Shout out to Tamale, gang. Let me know what y'all think about that one in the comment section. Yeah, man, you don't know, I told you. Tamale always full of vibes and energy. He always doing this thing, gang. You know what I'm saying? Yo, shout out to Tamale, man. Always full of vibes and energy. Always doing this thing. Full of lyrics, all that good shit. I see, yo, I did hear a thing, dog. Yo, gang, I did hear a thing where Tamale was like, yo, he's gonna clean up his songs a little bit more. They're gonna be a little more on the brighter side, not as dark. You know what I'm saying? I guess this is what he meant. You know what I'm saying? The song was very dope. You know what I'm saying? Badman style and Galley style and the fun and energy night. But you know, his song is not as dark as they used to be. You know what I'm saying? This is my Tamale. I try to touch more fun, more vibes in this type of. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. Shout out to Tamale, gang. Yeah, man, but that's definitely a dope ass track. You know what I'm saying? And they can add to the playlist too. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. So let me know what y'all think about that one in the comment section. If you like, you go show the artist some love and support. Let me know. Say Jambisco dance. I don't know. You see me? Yeah, man. Make you know. Say we lit over here, so gang. You feel me, man? You know. Say we lit over here, so gang. And you know, going strong over here. So wrote 10K, 100K, a million. We not stopping. Make sure you check the link in the description for the Discord. Join me over there. You can talk to me directly. Send me videos, requests, all that good stuff. Totally free. You know what I'm saying? You ain't paying for nothing, man. And if you like the video, continue liking and subscribing, man. Become part of the mafia, man. Become part of the gang, the family, yo. Latest reaction channel on YouTube. Them that look like we. The energy is crazy. The vibes is crazy. You already know what time it is, gang. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Some there. Till next time, gang. It's what Jambisco. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.